The Infrapak 0750950-010 is a control board used in a plastic packaging system. This particular system came from a customer after being repaired by another company. Unfortunately, the repair caused the system to only work if the board was being physically tapped on. Since this repair was a critical system to their business, we returned this system fully rebuilt after only 24 hours. With coordination, ERD is able to have the proper parts and staff available to perform services that are extremely time critical, such as this repair. As for this repair, we also backed up the code in the PLC module, so down the road we are fully confident in supporting this system. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.